Clever Fox Daily Planner 2nd Edition is a comprehensive, medium format planner for planning your day-to-day life from A to Z. This planner comes in a convenient A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches to easily fit inside your bag. It has a soft-touch vegan leather hardcover, an elastic band, a pen holder, 3 ribbon bookmarks, thick 120 GSM no-bleed paper, and an expandable pocket for loose notes at the back. The set is completed with an elegant gift box, a detailed user guide with step-by-step instructions, and 6 sheets of colorful planning stickers. Using only premium quality materials, we ensure that your planner will withstand heavy, everyday use and last a lifetime. This planner lasts 6 months and has undated pages, so you can start anytime and take a break if needed. Each monthly section has a different color scheme and features a monthly calendar, 5 weekly planning pages, plenty of daily pages to plan each day of the month, 5 empty dotted pages for extra notes, and 5 weekly reviews for tracking your progress. Please note, because this planner includes all these pages, it is slightly thicker and heavier than a standard daily planner. Start your planning journey by considering what you are grateful for and passionate about, and list any skills, habits, and affirmations you want to adopt. Then, create a vision board for the upcoming year. The more details you add, the easier it will be to understand your true priorities and ensure you allocate plenty of time to them. Use your insights to set big annual goals in 8 vital life areas. Do your best to include at least one goal for each area. This way, you can ensure you live a balanced, fulfilling lifestyle and grow both personally and professionally throughout the year. Next, use the following section to choose your 5 main goals for the next 6 months and create a mind map of how you can make these happen. This way, you can break your bigger goals into smaller action steps and incorporate these steps into your monthly, weekly, and daily agenda. Finally, create a calendar with all the important dates you need to remember. By doing so, you can make sure you forget nothing important and prepare well in advance. Use spacious monthly calendars to mark the most crucial tasks, deadlines, and other important dates. Set monthly goals and plan activities to support your well-being. When the month ends, use a dedicated area to celebrate your biggest achievements and brainstorm how to improve next month. Begin your week by setting your key weekly goal and priorities and creating 3 to-do lists for your work, personal life, and work-life balance. This way, you can ensure you pay equal attention to each area of your life. The weekly pages also feature a convenient habit tracker where you can add up to 7 habits and skills you want to follow daily and track them throughout the week. Plan your days comprehensively using extensive daily pages with separate sections for your main goal and priorities, a customizable schedule from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., a daily to-do list, and a review area to rate your productivity and consider how you can improve tomorrow. At the end of each week, reflect on your progress by filling out the weekly review page. This exercise will help you understand what you need to focus on in the future and plan accordingly. We hope this planner will become your favorite planning accessory, helping you stay focused and organized, however busy your life might get. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.